Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. This morning my daughter and I joined Evolution Expeditions for their Emerald Cave Kayak Express Tour. We met up at the kayak put-out point on the Arizona side of Willow Beach. Our guide Salvator gave us a demo on how to use a personal flotation device and how to enter and exit our kayaks. Once in the water, we got more instructions on paddling techniques. And throughout the day, we did some interstate paddling between Arizona and Nevada. It was such a fun day, and Salvatore shared interesting facts about the history of the Colorado River. Enjoy my video of our day of paddling to the Emerald Cave at Willow Beach.
So if you're in a single boat, you're in a one-seater, be really careful when you're backing into the cave. It's very easy to inadvertently lean when you're looking back behind you. If anything, try and avoid even looking back behind you. I'm going to guide you in verbally, but we are going to be backing into the cave. This is the cave right here. You can see that gentleman floating in the middle of the cave opening. So I would go toward the middle of the cave opening forward. Then I would paddle forward on my right. Forward is pulling. Backwards on the left, which is pushing. Pull on the right.
Sorry.
Push on the left. Now the back of my boat is in line with the back of the cave. At which point I would just gently, this is not about brute strength or power, this is all about finesse and mindfulness. You're going to gently paddle backwards until the back of your boat touches the back of the cave. Now if you're in a tandem, only the person in the back of the tandem.
We're going back downriver.
Only the person in the back of the tandem will be doing the paddling and the maneuvering. The person in the front, smile, wave, get the camera ready, take
Have a good day, guys.
You too. So now that the cave is open, I'm going to show you once more in the actual cave, and then one by one we're all going to come in until we're all in together. So it's important once you get in there to help each other out by grabbing onto each other's boats. We call that a party barge. You go forward on your left one, and you'll straighten you out. You go forward on your left. Yep, perfect. Now backwards both sides. What you will want to avoid is your boat going sideways in there. So do your best to keep the nose of the boat pointing out of the cave. And all the way back, we're all going to go along the very back wall. No need to scream it or drag it out. Okay, nice and powerfully. And we'll do that on the count of 3. So is everyone ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. Hey! So let's do it one more time, a little bit louder. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey! So that's why we call this Echo Cave. We really stretch stretch of this canyon. And you can see the beautiful emerald color over here because it is getting this morning light. You see a fish?
Mahalo for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you can get updates whenever I add new videos to my channel. Aloha!